Studying can be stressful, endless notes, distractions, and the struggle to stay organized. But what if a few free apps could make studying so much easier? In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful free apps that help you stay focused, take smarter notes, and actually enjoy learning again. First up, Notion, the ultimate all-in-one workspace for students. You can take notes, organize assignments, plan your week, and even track your goals, all in one place. Unlike traditional note apps, Notion lets you link ideas, create databases, and visualize your study plan with tables or boards. It's like having a second brain that keeps everything in order. And yes, the free version already gives you more than enough tools to study like a pro. Next is Quizlet, your best friend for memorization. Instead of rereading textbooks over and over, turn your notes into flashcards. You can study through games, tests, or AI-generated quizzes that adapt to what you've learned. Need to study biology terms, history dates, or a new language? Quizlet's Learn Mode uses smart repetition to help you remember longer, in half the time. And finally, Forest, a productivity app that helps you focus without feeling guilty. Every time you start a study session, you plant a virtual tree. If you leave the app to check social media, your tree dies. Stay focused, and you grow a beautiful digital forest. It's simple, visual, and surprisingly effective. You'll find yourself studying longer just to keep your trees alive. Bonus tip: combine them. Here's the trick: combine all 3. Use Notion to organize your tasks, Quizlet to memorize key facts, and Forest to stay focused while you study. Together, they create a perfect study system, organized, efficient, and distraction-free. These apps don't just make studying easier, they make it smarter. They tap into proven learning psychology, structured planning, active recall, and deep focus. Whether you're in high school, college, or self-learning online, these tools adapt to your style and pace. So if you're ready to study better without burning out, start with these 3 free apps today: Notion, Quizlet, and Forest. Try them out, build your perfect system, and watch how much easier learning becomes. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.